So here's how to upload files and folders in GitHub. So first you want to go to github.com and then log in and create a new repository. So you can click on your profile link and then click on your repositories. And then you want to click new and then give it a name, description, and all of that stuff. You can also make it public or private and then click on create. Now, when you create a repository, it should look like this. Now let's go to the desktop. So for example, this folder contains all the files and folders that should be uploaded. So I'm going to navigate to this folder. First, you want to open the Windows PowerShell or command line as admin, and then navigate to this folder by typing cd space and then copying the path from here and paste it into the PowerShell. Press enter. Now clean everything, and now we will need to initialize the repository by typing git space init, press enter. Now we want to go to the repository again and copy this link, git remote add origin and the repository link. Now we want to execute this command. Then we want to execute git space add space point to add all the files. Now we want to commit all the files, so git commit and a message like this. Now we want to push the files to the GitHub repo or upload them. So we want to call git push origin main, press enter. And this error occurred basically because we don't have the main branch, so we will need to run this before git branch m main and then git push origin main. We want to run it again, and that should start uploading the files to GitHub. Now it's finished. Now we can go back to GitHub and refresh, and we should see all the files inside our folder from desktop. So this is the test folder, and this is the index.html file. And then if we go inside the test, we should see another file, and it didn't upload that empty folder because it didn't have nothing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.